awesome, absolutely awesome.
That was the best time we've ever performed, ever.
I want to do it again. Okay.
1, 2. Let's do it a bit slower, because it's good to start.
Busking in the same without King Cuba, traveling in the same without King Cuba. Ain't nothing the same without King Cuba.
So when we're performing live, one of the main things we want to get across to our audience is that we're enjoying the music that we're playing and that we're having fun.
Yeah, that's the only reason.
Yeah,
It's for fun.
My A string's a little bit low on the nut, so I'm constantly tuned my A string to an F. It was mid-regional performance. I was playing and I broke a string. And it threw my whole guitar out of tune. It threw the band off, and Eden couldn't hear the notes because I wasn't playing the right notes. And yeah, it was very stressful. There's really nothing I could.
Yeah, I was just trying to listen to.
No, I just pretty much stopped playing and just.
That was fun though.
It was fun. Oh my god, so fun. Sorry guys. So coming off stage, I was definitely very nervous because, you know, if we didn't place, then I would feel responsible. It was very stressful, for sure. Hey, that was awesome, guys.
Yeah, you guys did amazing.
In first place in the band category, winning prizes from the Rock Shop and the chance to be selected from National Final, tonight that award goes to the Lighthouse Project.
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
We came second place at in the Wellington regional finals.
Oh my god! I know. Actually insane.
This gives you the opportunity to be selected as a national finalist.
Fat relief, yeah?
Fat relief.
Fat relief.
So this old thing is a little electric practice kit that all the bands are using before they go on to play their sets.
You can hear it all through the headphones, so all of the mics and all of the keyboards and things all connected up to that thing right there. We love it because it means that you're not going on stage cold, you're just getting straight into it. You go on stage warm, sweaty, ready to just kill it. Voices all warmed up, my guitar hands aren't shaky, all sturdy. So yeah, it'll be good, it'll be good.
We are
Cold Start Kids! You've done this to yourself, man. They're not gonna stop moving.
Okay, there we go.
It's like band practice. My favorite part of playing in a band with these guys is probably just how much fun we have.
getting together, just playing, chilling, you know, having pizza. What's that?
Having food.
Yeah, food.
Our band's biggest philosophy, if you will, is just to get up there and have fun, because if you look like you're having fun, then people are going to enjoy it more.
It was amazing. I love bothering this guy. Yeah, Chris.
We just look at each other and we're like, yeah.
Yeah.
We know it's good. I knew it would be something, but that was something else. I'd do that for hours on end, honestly, if I could. It was so good.
First place tonight, and the opportunity to be selected as national finalists from Glendowie College, Coast Arcade!